How to download Instagram Reels video. So downloading Instagram Reels video is quite simple. The only thing you need to do first of all is you need to make sure your app is up to date. For that, go to Play Store and check Instagram on the search bar. So if you see any update button next to Instagram app, that means you have to update your app. If you update your app, then you can enjoy the latest features and you can easily get rid of some glitches and bugs from your app. So updating your applications is very important. And then open Instagram app. Then you have to sign in to your Instagram account, and then once you're on this home feed of Instagram, simply tap on the Reels icon at the bottom right, which is next to your profile icon. So you can choose any reel that you want to download on your Instagram, and then once you have chosen, you can tap on this airplane icon, which is right side of the screen. And if you see any update or download button, then you need to tap on download and download it. Otherwise, let's select any other video and tap on this download. But as you can see that we can download it but without audio. So let's cancel it. The other thing you can do here is you can tap on this aeroplane icon and then tap on add to story. And then once you have added to your story, you can tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the save icon. Wait until this step or this process is being processing. As you can see that the video has been successfully saved. So let's go on our gallery and check whether the reels has been downloaded or not. So as you can see that the reel has already been downloaded. If you want to check the audio has been downloaded or not, then you can check it. So as you can see that we have successfully downloaded Instagram Reels with audio. If it does not work, then you can also use other third-party app. But note that those third-party app is not authorized by Instagram, so your account security might be at risk. So at your own risk, you can easily download Instagram using all the third-party apps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.